We are back with an extra video. Today I got myself a nice find. I'm not going to tell you how I got it, but it looks pretty amazing. USB, SD card, radio, Bluetooth, aux input, USB output charger, on phones. Oh, that's pretty nice. So this is an S-Digital Model GB3800 portable boombox speaker system, and it looks pretty sick. That's a song that my girlfriend sent me. She's Hindu, so yeah. Damn, it's a nice radio. I like it. Nice find. And also, I got this just picked today from the dump. A nice big ass laptop with webcam and Toshiba and Toshiba satellite. 2 gigs of RAM. I'm going to put 4 in it if it works. I'm not sure if the hard drive's still in, but looks pretty nice. So, hope you enjoyed. See you again. Bye.